Have you ever been shopping online and you're like in a different room, or you're at work and you're just on the computer and you're like, do I have that dip powder? I don't know, I can't remember, and then you end up buying a duplicate because you already own that dip powder? I have so many dip powders, like literally in the 2000 number. I know it's up there and it's crazy and it sounds crazy. So you're probably wondering how the hell, well, I know what you're wondering. Who the fuck needs that much dip powder? I do, come on. Just kidding. I don't, but I have it. So since I have it, I might as well organize it, right? So, how do I organize my dip powder? So my drawer system obviously has its own organization. I have a way that I like to organize my dip powder in its drawers, but I also wanted to let you guys know, like, show you how I organize my dip powder on my phone. You're like, on your phone? What? Yes. Have you ever been shopping online and you're like in a different room, or you're at work and you're just on the computer and you're like, do I have that dip powder? I don't know, I can't remember, and then you end up buying a duplicate because you already own that dip powder? I've done it a few times and then I finally got tired of doing that, so I downloaded an inventory app. They have so many different options of nail polish and other style of inventory apps. So I'm actually going to show you the two that I use and which one I prefer, and you can decide which one works best for you. So the first app that I use is called Snupps, S-N-U-P-P-S, and what I really like about this app is obviously you can create boards. So I like to create boards based on the brand that I have, and then I also break it down between stamping polish, decals, stamping plates, gel polish, nail polish, and so on and so forth. So I like break it down further. So I really like that you can create boards by brand. So if I'm shopping an all powdered up release and I'm like, ooh, maybe I want to pick up one of those older colors that she's had for a while, she just restocked, I'm going to go to the shelf and I'm going to type in the color in my phone and see if I already have it. The way that I know if I already have it is because when I make a purchase from a dip powder company, I save the photo from their website, I download it on my phone, and then I upload it to my phone in the respective album after I make my purchase. I have to be really diligent and make sure I do this every single time that I make a purchase. This way I don't end up buying duplicates. And so when I'm in the process of buying new colors and I'm not sure if I own that one already, I definitely always check my app to see if I have it, and it's really, really easy. In the Snupps app, I really like how you can do it because it's very picture-based, and I'm a visual person. A lot of text on a screen is going to confuse me, but when you put pictures there, it helps me, because really I'd rather see the color, especially if I'm looking for color combinations to make, rather than the name. So it lets you put in the name, and you can even do descriptions. So I click edit, and here you can see the shelf I put it on is all powdered up, and I can put a description and even more details. So I can put brand, model, year, blah, blah, blah. Literally so many details can go into this if you really wanted to go that far, which I don't need it to be that specific. So another inventory app that I use, you're probably like, why are you using two inventory apps? You always need a backup. One is going to break down one day and you're going to be like, I did all that work, what the hell? So I actually used Pinterest, and I think Pinterest is great. If you already have a Pinterest, consider using Pinterest. Since you already have it on your phone, you don't have to download another app. Anyways, Pinterest is great because you can create boards, and in those boards you can create sections, which this is where it makes it more superior to me than Snupps, because Snupps you have the board where it's really just the brand, and you can't categorize it into more sections once you click on that board. But for example, in my all powdered up folder here on Pinterest, go to all powdered up, and then you can see I have it split up between solids, theme sets, glitters, monthly exclusive, flakes, and chromes. This way, if I'm looking for something very, very specific, I can go to the section that I need. And then I also have a small brand section. So some brands, I only have 1 or 2 powders from them. I don't want to create a whole board just for them. So what I do is I go to my small brand section, and you can see all of the brands that I have, and yeah, I just have it there in all those little sections. Another one that I like to do is loose glitters. So I buy a lot from Glitter Lamps, Sierra's Nail Glitter World, and Pearl Glitter Shop. So I created a board specifically for loose glitters. So I have all the stuff that I own in those boards as well. And then, for example, another one that's great is stamping plates. Oh my goodness. So if you're someone who is a very visual person and you want to categorize your stamping plates by category, so floral, holiday, stuff like that, Pinterest is a great place for you to keep all of your stuff organized and sorted. So here I actually have mine sorted by brand, but it would be great to sort it by category, which is another point I'm going to get on why I think Pinterest is more superior for a category inventory app, is because when you create a board, you can create sections based on color. So if you're someone who wants to have all of your colors organized in one area, you can do it that way. Alright, so that is how I keep track of all my dip powders on my phone. This way, whenever I'm ordering powders and I don't want to run up here and sort through all my swatches to see what I own, I just go to my phone, check my inventory app, and I'm like, yes, I got it, or no, yes, I need to buy it. So that's how I know. And definitely my tip is literally after you make your purchase, save those photos to your phone, the product photo, and then import them into your inventory app. Do not forget to do this or you will end up ordering duplicates. So if this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!